want to see where I shot him. I think I got him right in the neck.
You're both,
I did.
They're both good shots.
Look at that.
Yeah, good shots.
Set?
Yep.
Alrighty. Well, there's the head. Yummy. You kill them, you gotta clean them. It's still warm. Savages. Want some?
Yummy.
This goes easier with scissors or something. The wings are hard to clean off.
Yeah, looks nice, eh? Look at that.
That's a spruce because it's dark meat. Oh. It's still a worm.
You're mean. You're mean. You're like a meanie. Lick your finger.